So, who has the infamous Ford power steering pump whine? Because I know I do. Want to know what it sounds like? If you have it, I'm sure you do already. And you also know how annoying it is, because it never goes away. No matter what you do. Unless you get a new pump. So anyways, how are we going to fix this? Honestly, I don't know if I can this method. It's going to be a trial. So I'm going to try and use some limited slip diff additive, which is also basically just a friction modifier. I'm going to use a turkey baster. I'm going to suck out some power steering fluid, which in this I use the Ford Mercon 5. I'm just going to suck out as much as we can, because I've got 207 milliliters of friction modifier. Yeah, I've got all of it out that I can. Now, do I need to snip the tip on this modifier? Yes, I do. In here, it's pretty viscous, so I'm going to cut this with. I don't have a knife out in the Jeep, which is a mess. Got a razor blade. Put you guys down somewhere where you can see, and somewhere where I can use two hands. Now, hopefully that works. So I'm just going to cut the tip off. Got the tip cut off. Hello, darling.
Okay.
That's fine.
A little warm, but not much.
Alright, got that added in there. I don't really think... Yeah, I spilt a little on the edge. Maybe I can sop that up. Nope. Alright, so basically I'm just going to add some power steering fluid into there. Or tranny fluid if you guys want to be very technical. Until she's full.
And we're going to go match the line.
Which is there. Let's put this down on the hood of the Jeep, because I don't care about the Jeep. That's how much fluid's left over. And then we are going to start this thing up. Rock that wheel back and forth several times. And we're going to see what happens. Actually, I'll probably start it up, shut it down after a couple of seconds, and see what the level of the fluid's at. Make sure the fluid level didn't drop down too much. Still up there. Let's leave the cap off while I basically rock the wheel back and forth. It's gonna, what that's gonna do is it's gonna cause the pump to work. Obviously pushing fluid and returning fluid, and eventually it'll pull the fluid that's in the reservoir and mix it around. Because right now, it's still whining. Whoa, no, I don't want radio. I want that radio off. So, I'm gonna do this for a bit and then we'll come back after, I'll probably do it for a few minutes. Well, as an immediate, it didn't, smoky. Didn't quiet down the power steering pump. Although, it is a heck of a lot easier to turn that wheel. So I don't know, maybe it did need a, I don't know, something in it. I don't know. But hey, it was worth a shot. It was $10 for the tube of additive. And I guess it didn't work. Oh well. I'm not sure if I'll post this video or not. I might. Because I'm sure some people have been curious if it'll work as well, and I guess this will educate them. Anyways, catch you later.